Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to be able to upload multiple photos on Instagram. Like, if this has happened to you, I'm a hairstylist, so you see like different people with hairstyles. If you have noticed that on your app you're not able to see the icon on the right hand corner where you can add multiple photos or clips, video clips at one time, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So I tried everything from the people that posted videos on YouTube, and none of that worked for me. So I'm going to show you something that's really easy, and this is for iPhones. It may work if you have an Android too. I'm not sure, but I have an iPhone. So all you have to do is just click on any photo, right? And then you want to hold down that photo. So hold it down for about 2 seconds, and you see that the circles on the right hand corner of the post or the photos and video clips popped up. So then from there you can pick whatever photos that you want. So I'm just going to use this photo right here, and then I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to go to next. I'm not going to post this because I already have some of this stuff already posted. And then next again, and then all you have to do is type up your caption and then press OK, and post, and it works. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope that it was informative to you. I hope that helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe as well. And also, you guys, I'm going to stop posting on this channel. I made a tech channel because this is ministry right here, where I talk about all things about me and dreams and all that stuff. So if you want to see more tech videos, please subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Faithful Tech. That's where I will be posting all my new tech videos. So make sure to subscribe to that channel, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.